Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Of those 20, 1 crashed, 1 was scrapped, and 17 are preserved and can be visited, or seen from very close in museums or open-air exhibitions. The Barbados Concorde experience, in the Caribbean country, is closed and its Concorde cannot be visited.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Enough funds have been raised to buy a Concorde with the aim of getting it flying again by 2019, a group of British enthusiasts says. Concorde, which can travel at twice the speed of sound, last flew in 2003. Negotiations are now underway to try to purchase or lease the 2 aircraft.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The Concorde caught fire shortly after takeoff from Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris in July 2000, killing 113 people. The court ruled that the crash was caused by a piece of metal left on the runway after falling from a Continental jet.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The Concorde was a rare sight in Australia. Both BA and Air France made demonstration flights to various destinations, including Perth, Sydney and Melbourne, but there were no regularly scheduled Concorde operations making the 11,000-mile route.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
CNN, over 50 years after Concorde first took to the skies, a brand new supersonic jet is preparing for liftoff. Denver-based startup Boom Supersonic has announced it will roll out XB-1, a 1:3 scale prototype of its upcoming supersonic commercial jet Overture, on October 7, with test flights beginning in 2021.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
G-Bobe. G-Bobe is arguably the most well-known Concorde, seen by thousands of passengers each day. The aircraft was placed into retirement at Heathrow Airport, where it continues to stand as a reminder of the important role Heathrow played in the Concorde program.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.